Okay, so I have a 2006 Chevy Express cargo van. This is the rear seat. I already pulled out the latches to pull the seat out. But my problem was I couldn't figure out how to unbuckle the seat belt. So I know a lot of people done ran into it too. So with this side seat belt, it has a little center piece. All you gonna do is press it in. Bingo. Because it ain't got no releases or nothing on the side like a normal seat belt, like this one, where you would just press it in. It's dead on the middle. And the way it looked like it was just like it was bruised or something. So I didn't even know if that was the way to do it. I'm lifting up the seat, trying to figure out if there was something on the side. But I got it done. So this is a 2006 Chevy Express cargo van with passenger seats.